Here he comes, here he comes. Look at this.
I do see a booby head.
Oh my, look at the size of those paws.
Yeah, it's hiding behind a tree. Oh my God.
Here he goes again.
Oh, I should have got a nice picture right there.
A giant Leopard.
Don't scream at me.
Big one. He's a meat eater.
I'm trying to see.
He's a meat eater.
He's a meat eater. Bunny's too.
There's no bunnies in here.
There he is. Look at this.
Whoa.
No, tigers eat deers.
Oh, they sure did it. Oh.
Tigers eat deers. Did you know
Want to take a
tigers?
picture for you?
No, I'm getting it.
Oh.
I'm getting you guys too.
That is.
Oh.
You're
Part of my video.
He's in cage.
Look, he's looking at me.
Long tail.
Look at me.
Look right here.
Leopard.
Teddy bear.
Oh,
Don't
he's so
wake
gorgeous.
me up.
Look at
I'm
him.
going to sleep.
Look how long his tail is.
Oh my God, look at his tail, so long.
She's small.
No, he's big. Can I get some foodie?
Yeah, buddy, in just a second.
I don't wait for pineapple.
Looking at it.
Is there pineapples in here?
He just wants to ride up. Look how they're attached.
Look at his foot. Dude, look at him.
Oh, look, he's looking at it. I expected him to be bigger.
Yeah.